Hi there, welcome once again, and this is the time for learning how you will place multiple video clips in timeline and how you will complete the basic editing. In last lesson, we removed some extra or unnecessary portion from the beginning and some part of end, and right now we are going to complete the intro. As this is my intro clip and I'm going to complete my intro videos, so let's start the process. In this video clip, I was describing about the course and topics. So I have another video clip where all the topics are described. So I have to import it to complete my intro video. And to import, it's really very simple right now for you. We just have to go for File menu, Import option, and inside our exercise file, you will get this intro elements full. So you just have to select it and then you have to click open. Okay, this is our video and I have to place this intro element full video after this intro clip 1 video. So you just have to drag and drop the video in here. Okay, so let me play this video clips, then you will have a clear understanding. Skill you will learn from the lesson in real-time class project. We will learn how to change color in Adobe Photoshop, how to fix the lighting, adjust the color, how to remove object from image. Okay, so we placed our second clips in our timeline, and in the second clips all the topics are described. We have some sound issue like the background noise, some echo, and I used these video clips willingly so we can learn how to fix the echo and how to remove the background noise, and all these things we are going to learn in our audio section. So right now we have the 2 clips in our timeline. This is our first clip and we have the description about the course, and in second clip we have the elaboration of clips. So right now we are going to add the third clip and therefore we need some space, and if you want to increase the space in your timeline, you just have to pull this bar. So let me pull this bar at right, and then you will have the enough space on your timeline. You can consider this bar as a zoom in or a zoom out. So right now I am going to add another video clip, and to complete my intro I have to import it from our exercise file. So let's follow the steps. File menu, import option, and from our exercise file I am going to select this intro clip 2, and once you will select this intro clip 2, then you can click open. Okay, cool. This is our intro clip 2 and I'm going to place this intro clip 2 to our timeline. So let's place this intro clip 2 after the second clip. Okay, cool. Right now we have total 3 clips in our timeline. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So let's place our indication bar at our third clip. Then you will have a preview on your program panel. So let me play this clip. To worry about to enroll this class. Once you will complete this class, you will be able to. So in third clip I was saying once you will complete this class you will be able to. So I have another video clip where I mentioned what you will be able to do after completing this class. So I am going to place the 4th video clip after the 3rd one, and therefore I have to import my 4th video clip from our exercise file. So let's go for File menu, Import option, and I'm going to select the intro element last part. So this is the video clip about what you will be able to do after completing this class. All the things are mentioned in this clip. So you just have to select this intro element last part video clip, and then you have to click open. Okay, right now we have the intro element last part video clip in our project panel, and I'm going to place this video clip after the third video clip in our timeline. So let's place it. You just have to drag and drop the video clip, and let me place it after the third video clip. Okay, so let me play this video clip from the third one. Okay, let me play this one. Found this class is suitable for you, then you don't have to worry about to enroll this class. Once you will complete this class, you will be able to fix color of image. You will be able to crop an image with content error. You will be able to style text and create postcard. So in fourth clip, I was describing what you will be able to do after completing this class. So right now we have total 4 video clip, and I have to add another video clip, and this is the last one where I was concluding the intro, and that's about the enrollment. So I have to import the last video clip, and that's why I have to go for file menu, import option, and this is the intro clip 3. So this is the last one for our intro file, and that's why you just have to select this intro clip 3, and then you have to click open. Okay, cool. This is our video clip, and let me place this intro clip 3 after the 4th video clip in our timeline. So let me place this video clip. Okay, right now we have total of 5 video clip. So let me place our indication bar in here, so we will have the clear understanding about the conclusion. So let me play this video clip from here. Alt image. So don't hesitate to enroll this class. Start watching, and happy learning. So you can take a look. We just finished the editing of our intro, and right now we have a complete timeline for our intro file. So right now you are a complete video editor, as because you know how to use the razor tool and how to remove or delete the unwanted or extra portion from a video clip, and you know how to place the multiple video file in your timeline, and how to compile all the clips in serially. So I'm pretty sure you are enjoying this class about the basic editing. So see you in next lesson.